Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today we have the kickstands from Fastway, and Fastway is kind of the OG with these aftermarket kickstands. We have riders here at Rocky Mountain that run these. And here's what's nice about these. If you have a bike that came with an OEM kickstand, you're looking to maybe just upgrade it because yours is worn out, maybe you lost a spring, or you just want a better looking, more durable option. Or here's what I love is that if you have a bike that didn't come with a kickstand, me for example, I have a 2021 Honda 450R. Obviously no kickstand comes included, but Fastway makes a kickstand that I can just directly bolt onto my bike. And I'm not gonna lie to you, there's been times where I was out riding where we're kind of out in the middle of nowhere. The riders I was with did have a kickstand, my bike doesn't, and I was envious because I gotta go find a tree or something to lean my bike against if I don't have a stand that is close by. So if you fall into that and you wish you had a kickstand, well, here you go. What's also nice too, and we'll talk more about this, is that the install process, the direct bolt on, you don't have to modify anything. So if you're kind of more of an off-road trail and motocross guy, well, you could certainly just take it off on those days that you do want to go to the motocross track. But here's what we love about these, and here's what these are known for, is one, just the build quality. So they're made from a 6061 build aluminum, so very strong. Now for some bikes, there is a black anodized version. For other bikes, there is the silver. But here's what's nice too, is that the spring for these is all internal inside this casing. And it's nice is that that's just going to protect it from the elements. And another thing that we really like about these too is, you know, Eric, rider here, he had an FC450, he converted to an off-road bike. He has one of these on there right now. Is that when you flip the kickstand down, it just has a really positive action. It's not vague, so you really feel it snap down. And then when you kick it up, it just flips back up and it stays really secure. There's no wobbly to it, so the tolerances on these are really good. And you notice too that you don't have to use that rubber latch or that rubber strap that will come on bikes that had an OEM kickstand. You don't need that because the spring on here keeps it so tight. It's going to flip up behind your plastics, and they just look good too. Much better kickstand, in my opinion, looks-wise than OEM. You notice also too that the foot piece here is a lot bigger than OEM kickstand, so it's going to give you a larger platform when you have this thing down. And as far as the install goes, like I said, it's bolt-on. So you don't have to modify anything. Now every bike is going to be a little bit different, but Fastway's gone, they've done a lot of research. You know, they get those bikes in, they figure out what's going to be the best mounting solution. So all the hardware to get this bolted up will come included. Just follow the instructions, it shouldn't take you very long. You get this bolted on, you've got a really good kickstand for your motorcycle. So again, if you have an OEM kickstand and maybe just looks-wise you want to upgrade, or maybe yours is just too flimsy, you've lost that spring and you just want to upgrade, perfect option. If you have a bike that didn't come with a kickstand to begin with, hey, they have these for a lot of different bikes. And to know if it'll fit your bike, it's really simple. So just click on the link in this video or head to Rocky Mountain's website, and there on the product page, just enter the year, make, and model of the bike you're shopping for, and that will ensure that this kickstand will fit your bike. But if you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure leave those down below. To grab yours again, just click the link, head to Rocky Mountain. As always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, you'll be good to go. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.